Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing a recently announced raid or crackdown or arrest, initiative, whatever you want to call it, against an outfit called the Thai Visa Center. A recent article from ThaiVisa.com titled Fake Visa Docs for Expats, Thai Visa Center Manager Arrested, U.S. Husband nabbed for growing ganja. Quoting directly, immigration police announced they have arrested a Thai woman who has admitted providing expats with fake visas at a well-known company in Bang Na. Quoting further, Immigration Chief Lieutenant General Sompong Chingdawang said that his bureau has been investigating the Thai Visa Center in Bang Na as it was well known in the expat community that it was the go-to place for fake visa extensions and stamps. Quoting further, they arrested a 34-year-old Thai woman. She reportedly has admitted providing fake visas using fake documentation. She was found in possession of 55 fake rubber stamps and fake documentation. There was another article, and this was from Coconuts Bangkok, and it's titled Pot Thickens, and I think they mean Plot Thickens, as raid on Thai-American visa ring uproots weed farm. Quoting directly, on the premises of the Kanayao district residence, they found 60 cannabis plants, 99 grams of dried bud and drug paraphernalia, along with several fake official stamps used to counterfeit visas for foreigners, according to Immigration Bureau Chief Sompong Chingdawang. So, a couple of things to take away from this video. First of all, Thai immigration has always, and I think will always, take fake visas really seriously. This has never been really disputed. Now, immigration enforcement endeavors are oftentimes hampered by issues such as resources, and in the absence of the standard routine protocols that immigration usually undertakes, which they really don't have to undertake right now due to COVID-19 and the amnesty that's been put on folks, they don't have to deal with a lot of routine processing stuff. A lot of resources have been freed up, and clearly they have reallocated those resources to other priorities, notably immigration enforcement. I've had some folks come up to me, friends and colleagues, clients, and say, this must be good news for you, that these folks are a competitor. It really isn't. I'm really not overly happy to hear this news for a number of reasons. I never like to hear of anybody, especially going, to jail possibly, especially expats here in Thailand. It's never a good thing to hear. The more to the point and more pertinent is, notwithstanding the fact that these folks or this operation, or there are just generally bad actors out there, and fake visas and fake visa stamps are just a reality that we have to deal with in this world. It's not a good thing to see something like this happen, because it's sort of a few bad apples can ruin the bunch kind of logic. I suspect we're going to see heightened scrutiny from Thai immigration moving forward, at least for the relatively near foreseeable future, as they're trying to ascertain whether or not there are a lot of fake visas sort of in the expat ecosystem here in Thailand. And in doing that, that's going to have knock-on effects for other legitimate visa holders. They're going to be placed under heightened scrutiny, and these things have a ripple effect, and unforeseen consequences can arise as a result of this type of thing. So, no, I'm not particularly happy to hear this. Now, I'm certainly, I guess I should say, I think it's certainly a good thing to maintain the integrity of one's immigration system, and law enforcement endeavors are laudable where they do catch people committing crimes. But am I happy that these folks were arrested? Not particularly. There's no sort of gloating on my part. It's a net neutral for me. But that stated, overall, we need to now sort of be aware that heightened scrutiny is likely to be happening, again, as I say, in the near-term foreseeable future, because we're dealing with the fallout from discovering, as I think Thai Visa reported, 55, I'm quoting, 55 fake rubber stamps and fake documentation. I mean, that's significant if that is indeed the case, and I don't have any reason to believe or disbelieve Thai Visa, but again, I wasn't there and I'm not directly reporting on that. But again, 55 fake rubber stamps, that's significant if it indeed occurred or if they were indeed there. And for that reason, it's pretty good idea to presume that there's going to be heightened scrutiny associated with folks that are maintaining visa status here in the Kingdom of Thailand.